Viewers, welcome to my channel Javis since 2016. So today we are going to see about Manchester United versus Southampton in Dream 11 prediction. So this is my detailed preview of Manchester United match. So let's go to the video. Before going to video, I like to tell you one thing. Watch my full video. I will give in between some GL tips also. So you can make use of the GL tips and you can earn money from that. So what I'm saying, don't skip the video, just see my video fully. So you will get more idea about the match and more details. So you can make your own GL teams on football. So I'm trying to develop your football team making skills. So you can make your own dream 11 career in football. So let's go to video. So we are going to see about Manchester United Southampton. So you can see this match live on Hotstar. So match is between Southampton and Manchester United. Match timing, it's in 12:30. So let's go and see probable lineup. In this you can't able to see the probable lineup. So I will zoom it and I will show you in my app Telegram. So this is predicted lineup of Manchester United. It's not official lineup. It's predicted lineup. So they are going with same team, and this is lineup of Southampton. See, Manchester United is going with formation 4-2-3-1. It's a very good deadly combination. And in Southampton, you have to must watch Long. They are telling that today Long might have start. If Long might start, the match will be very interesting. So you will expect more firework from Manchester today. Of course, definitely Manchester will win tonight because they are in good form, deadly form. So let's see their forms and other stats detailing in this video. So in Manchester United team news, you can see, and this is another lineup which I made today. So that also you see, that's my Predator lineup. Before I have shown you this Predator lineup is taken from whoscore.com. You can check in website whoscore.com, type www.whoscore.com. Every match lineup will come. So from that you can take, and there you can get more detaily than me. If you don't believe me, just check in website also. No one will give the sources where they are getting lineup and where they are getting idea, but I like to give my sources also, only because for my subscribers. So this is my Predator lineup. My formation is different, and Luke Shaw, Van Bissaka, left back and right back. Luke Shaw is not in good form and good touch. Last 3 to 4 matches I'm watching his play. He's not in okay. It's not like what I would say. Okay condition only he's playing. Van Bissaka is playing very good. So today you can expect from Fernandes and Greenwood. They are deadly combo. And Fernandes is playing as attacking midfielder. Rashford and Greenwood they are wingers, and Marshall center striker. Sorry, main striker. Let's see to Southampton also. Bertrand, Stephen, Bertnack, Walker Peters. If Walker Peters starts tonight, just take him in every team. He'll be a punt tonight. And from in midfielder, Redmond and Armstrong, both are very important players in Southampton. You might drop any one player, but you should not drop both of them in teams. If you drop Armstrong, you should take Redmond. If you drop Redmond, you should take Armstrong. Armstrong is very good player, very important. He's in very good form in Southampton. So take him and take Ings also. He's a key striker of the Southampton match. So what we are expecting, Lukaku is coming back in today, and Victor Lindelof, Marcus Rojo, and Diego Dalot, they are absentees for the team. David De Gea will be goalkeeper today. So match will be very good. And see Southampton United team news. Ryan Bertrand, 1 game suspension. So returning to his left back spot. He got suspension in previous match. He got caught. So he after that suspension, he coming back tonight. So you can expect more aggressive from Ryan Bertrand. Just note my point. Ryan Bertrand, you can keep him as captain also. He can score very good. set piece. So you can do make him captain in your Dream 11 GL teams. So this is Manchester United Southampton recent form. See Manchester United form, draw, win, 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 win. You can see why I'm saying Manchester have advantage in this match. And Southampton, they are also in good form. Win, only one loss, and another one draw last match. And head-to-head matches, Manchester and Southampton. Manchester always have upper hand. They have won 10 matches in head-to-head. And Southampton, they have won 2 only, draw 6 matches. Injury report. In Manchester, Alex and Phil Jones, they are injured. In Southampton, Buffalo is injured and Westgard. Jan Valery, defender, is injured. Dijenbo is not good. That like so top players from both team and how much they have scored. Every details I have mentioned here. G means goal, A means assist. Marcus Rashford 15 goal, 6 assist. Martial 15 goal, 4 assist. So you just see the goals and assists how they are made. So you will know who is better player in this both two teams. According to my stats, you can make captain and vice captain for in your Dream 11 GL teams. And now I'm going to tell your captain and vice captain options also. You can keep Marcus Rashford, Anthony Martial, Mason Greenwood, and Bruno Fernandes and Danny Ings. These players you should make captain and vice captain. And prediction for betting, so you can expect 3 goals at least sure from Manchester United. In GL, as I said, Pogba, Redmond, Odegaard. If he start, he will perform in Southampton. So guys, if you want to get my final team in Dream 11, you can just join my channel. It is my channel. You can search in Telegram at Jarvis18. You will get 7.8k channel. That is my one and only channel. Don't fall in any other traps. There are many fake Jarvis in Telegram. So they are trying to get more money from Prime members. I am also having Prime, but I don't charge that much money. If I have keen on Prime, then I won't upload YouTube videos also. I'm giving tips and telling the sources and everything. If I only want Prime members, then I won't do this work. I want everyone to learn and make football on their own. They should not believe on or depend on any one single player or any single channel. So this is my detailed preview for Manchester United and Southampton. Thank you guys. You should do like, share, comment if you like my work. And mainly, if you want to ask me any questions like my how I build my dream loan career, you can ask me in comment section. I will reply you when I'm free. So you can ask me any questions in dream loan. So I will tell you. And if you want any help from me, you just call my number. I have given my number in top 7358684824. You can call me. If I'm free, I will attend your calls. You can message me in WhatsApp. You can message us in Telegram. My team will answer you. I have set of admins in my channel. So we are like a group and we are like one gang. We are doing Jarvis gang. We are doing good work. I have admins in basketball, baseball, cricket also. So I'm soon I'm on and one another good news for you guys. I'm launching website in this month or next month, and after that I will launch application also. In my website I will give more detailed preview, so you can just see the preview, read the preview, understand the preview. You can make teams. Now I'll show you standings and other stats in SofaScore application. See Manchester United in 5th and Southampton in 12th. So this is the predicted lineup of SofaScore. This is the formation in which position they are playing, and you can see the previous and recent matches. Wins, no losses, more than 2.5 goals, first to score, first half winner. You can see everything. If you are doing betting like 1x bet 365, just bet on Manchester United confidently. Sure, they will win this today match. But don't invest that much money in betting. I don't appreciate doing betting in India, because in India it is not legal. So kindly play on your own. And this is the previous stats of last year. You can check these matches also in SofaScore. You will get everything in SofaScore itself. Damn good application for making football teams. Now we'll see how to make one team. Already I have made 11 teams just simply, but I will show you my initial lineup. in order to show you network problem, I think. Yes, it came. So I will make one small league team and show you, and final team will be you will getting in my Telegram channel. So join my Telegram channel. Marshall, Rashford, Danny Ings must pick in every small league team. Bruno Fernandes, Pogba, Armstrong. These three must. In defenders, Van Bissaka, Bertrand, Maguire. If you take every good player, you will get more credit issues. So try to avoid that. Drop any good players. I'm dropping Pogba. Now I'm getting 16 credits. So Walker Peters, as I said, and in midfielder section 8 credits, who I can take Nemanja Matic. He will get more passing points. So main Bruno Fernandes, Martial, Rashford. I have made both teams supporting teams. If you like to make keep supporting Manchester United, if you're a Manchester United fan, please give a like. So I'm making Bruno as captain and vice captain Rashford. I feel today Rashford will score something. So guys, let's rock today. This is my team. For safe team, I'll make another one. In team 2, I'll show you how to make safe. Martial, Rashford, Bruno, and take every defenders. Luke Shaw, Maguire, Lindelof, goalkeeper. Then now Armstrong, Redmond. Then finally Inks you can take then leave a Redmond. Okay, fine. Inks you took. Then credit issue. Oh my God, credit issue problem. You should take anyone big player whom you can take. Okay, I'm taking risk in Inks. I'm taking Hodgback. This is my safe team. Keep my Bruno as captain and Martial as vice captain. Bruno, Martial. This is safe team. If you can confidently make another team, you can keep vice captain as Van Bissaka. Defender, you can keep vice captain Bissaka. Magyar as a captain for clean sheet team. So this is my detailed preview for Manchester United match. So guys, like my channel, share my channel, comment if you have any questions regarding Dream 11 and my Dream 1 career. And the main thing, subscribe my channel. And this is my Telegram channel. You can see my works there. So guys, this is Jarvis signing off. Happy winning. Jai Hind.